Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we dive deep into the machines shaping the roads of tomorrow. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that's stepping up in a big way. Whether you're already a fan of the Corolla line or just looking for a smart crossover that blends reliability with modern style, the new Corolla Cross deserves your attention. Let's kick things off with the design. Toyota isn't trying to reinvent the wheel here, but they are refining it. The 2026 Corolla Cross carries forward that clean, athletic look we've seen evolve over the past few years. The front fascia now gets a more pronounced grille with sleeker LED headlights, giving it a sharper, more aggressive expression without looking too overdone. Toyota is clearly aiming to appeal to both young urban drivers and seasoned buyers who want something practical yet stylish. The proportions are balanced, with a slightly longer wheelbase this year, which subtly improves cabin space without making the SUV feel bulky. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross sticks with a familiar formula, but with a few key enhancements. You'll still find the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine in the standard model, producing a respectable 169 horsepower, more than enough for daily driving and light road trips. But what's really exciting is the hybrid option. Toyota is continuing to lean into electrification, and the new hybrid setup now offers better fuel efficiency, smoother power delivery, and a bit more punch, thanks to an updated electric motor system. It's all paired with Toyota's continuously variable transmission, which while not thrilling, gets the job done with minimal fuss. Inside the cabin, Toyota has clearly listened to feedback. The 2026 model comes with the larger 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen in most trims, now running the latest Toyota Audio Multimedia system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's a noticeable improvement in voice recognition and system speed. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and modern, bringing the Corolla Cross closer to its more tech-heavy rivals. Materials have seen a modest upgrade to soft touch surfaces in key areas and more thoughtful storage options throughout. One of the Corolla Cross's biggest strengths has always been its practicality, and that continues here. The cargo area remains generous for a compact SUV, especially with the rear seats folded flat. Rear passenger legroom has slightly improved, making it more comfortable for longer rides. And of course, safety is top tier. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is standard across the board, offering pre-collision warning, lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, and even proactive driving assist, a newer system that gently supports the driver in stop-and-go traffic or tight parking situations. In short, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross isn't flashy, but that's exactly what makes it appealing. It's reliable, efficient, thoughtfully updated, and ready to serve as a daily driver for just about anyone. If you're looking for a crossover that balances value, practicality, and that signature Toyota dependability, this one should be high on your list. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more reviews like this. Catch you in the next ride.